Hello, my name's Jerry. I'm with PSDesigns. I'm going to show you today how to use the RivNut tool that was included in your parts package when you bought your Wickerbill from us. When you buy your Wickerbills from us, you will receive a parts packet. We'll have all the included parts, the bolts, the washers, the RivNuts, and a RivNut tool. What you will do is, this RivNut is a compressed fitting. So you will line up your Wickerbill on the back of your car, you will mark it, you'll drill some pilot holes, then you'll go through and you'll use a 25/64 drill bit to drill the hole that will be the same size for this. This is a 25/64 OD on the RivNut. The tool is just a simple tool. It's a 1/4-20 bolt, some washers with a star washer. We thread the RivNut on just finger tight. On your car, you will go through, you will mark all the mounting points. Just an 1/8" drill bit to start off with. Just drill a pilot hole. Then you'll go up to your 25/64 drill bit. Again, 25/64, you can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, any hardware store will have it. 25/64, like I say, is the same OD dimension as the RivNut. So what you'll do is you'll take your 25/64 drill bit, you'll drill into it, and this is a composite material. It drills very easy. Your spoilers on your cars will probably either be a fiberglass material or a plastic material, so they will both drill very easy as well. So you've got your tool set up, you've got your RivNut threaded onto the tool. What you will need now is just a 1/2" box end wrench. You will put that onto the sleeve. Then you'll need a 7/16 ratchet, 7/16 socket on your ratchet. Push the RivNut into the hole. It will be a pretty snug fit. So then all you do is just tighten it up. Tighten until you feel some decent pressure. If you over tighten it, you will strip the threads, or you'll possibly even pull the RivNut completely out of the spoiler. So give it some decent torque, but don't over torque it. As you're threading the tool back out of the RivNut now, make sure that when you remove it, that you get both washers, a flat washer and a star washer. You're then ready to thread your next RivNut onto the tool and go on down the line. This RivNut is compressed. It's a very tight fit. It's flush, so that is what you want to end up with when you do your spoilers. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on eBay. I will try to respond as quick as I can, or you can give me a call. 937-935-5595 is my cell phone, and I will pick up and help you anytime I can. So I appreciate you buying our Wickerbills, and we will talk to you later. Thank you.